In this video, I will show you how to create a Kraken wallet. So to do this, what you want to do is just open up the App Store and search for Kraken wallet. So that is a wallet offered by Kraken where you own the keys and you are the actual owner of the crypto. So just download the Kraken wallet app. So note that that is different from the normal Kraken app. So this is the exchange and this is the wallet app. So get the wallet app and open it up. From there you will then create an account. So here just click create wallet if it's your first time. Then here you can set up your wallet. Now they've made it very simple. So you can back it up with iCloud or back it up manually. Or you can skip this. I don't recommend skipping up the backup because then when you want to load it on a different phone, for example, you will need to have the phrase that you get if you click on backup. But I'm just going to skip it for this video since I won't actually use it. But if you're going to use it for storing crypto, go ahead and back it up manually and to iCloud, that's ideal, but just do whichever one is best for you. Then secure your wallet, so click secure wallet, and then in this case it uses Face ID, so I'll click allow. Then to stay informed, allow notifications, I'll say ask me later. From there it's now securing your wallet and setting up your Kraken wallet. Now here click agree and continue. And now here you have your Kraken wallet. Now you can fund your wallet by just transferring crypto, or you can connect to the Kraken exchange. So here I can just connect to my normal account. So now here click transfer to wallet. And now here I can see the balances I have in my normal Kraken account. If I take Solana, for example, I can now send, for example, 0.1 Solana to this account and then click transfer, and then I'll have it right here. But now you know how to create a Kraken wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.